Laura and Paul went to a shopping mall. Laura wanted to buy a suit, but it was too short. Uh, One day way home, they saw they saw a small lost dog. dog. They remembered their parents told them to always have animals, so they stopped, stopped it. Stopped. The dog was cowing, so they gave it some water. They also bought some dog food to feed it. The dog was very happy and was eating and growled with its paws, making funny sounds. Laura and Paul thought that the dog was very cute and blunt and blunted with its right always. In the end, uh, they decided to take it home and keep it as a pet.